Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. I am Shashank Madarapu. So the agenda of today's video is to present the new script which I have written. What this script does is the Python script. It will get the live tick data from Alice Blue and it will be converting that live tick data to candle format, resampling the live data. So if you search anywhere on the internet, most of the people they'll show you how to get the live data, and after getting the live data how to store it on your own database, then later on when the day gets ended how to access the data and resample. But the real challenge is to resample the live tick data every 1 minute or every 5 minutes, etc. So in this script, that is what I have achieved. So what I'll do is I'll start the script. Now it will generate the access token for me. Right now the time is 11:01. So we are starting the live tick data in an uneven time. So access token is generated. Now it will connect to Alice Blue. It will create the Alice Blue object, connect to Alice Blue. And this script you should actually start before 9:15. Only then you will be getting the accurate data, and then you'll be able to resample it. So the live tick data, it is started now. Now, since the time is 11:01, what I'll do is I'll pause the video until 11:10. For this 9 minutes continuously, we'll be getting the data. At 11:10, it will generate the CSV files. So first, I will resume the video at 11:05 to show you how the CSV files are getting generated, but I'll not open it at 11:05. At 11:10 again, I'll open the CSV files. Then we'll compare the data that got resampled from that CSV file to the actual stock data. So each symbol will have its own CSV file that gets generated. So how many ever symbols you want, you can add to the list of the stocks. So I'm pausing the video. I'll resume back at 11:05. Focus on the clock now. Whenever the time is 11:05 and 0th second, you will see that two new CSV files got generated. So the data is resampled and it is stored inside this two CSV files. As of now, we have only two symbols that I am tracking. So again, I am pausing the video. I'll resume at 11:10 and we'll see the data. So the now time is approaching 11:10 and you can see the time got changed to 11:10. So the new CSV file is ready now. So open HDFC Bank and we'll compare 11:05 candle, which got completed just now. So 11:05 candle is what we want. Now go to any charting platform or your brokerage platform. Type for HDFC Bank and open the chart. Five-minute chart is what we want. 11:05. This is the candle. Let us put both the Excel and that side by side. So 1700.45 is the open, 1700.07 is the high price, 1699 and 1699.95. So we got the prices very accurately, and this is how you can convert the live tick data to the candle format. So if anybody is interested in this script, please do ping me on 9491 888119 only on WhatsApp. And if you also want to create these kind of scripts, if you are interested in learning algorithmic trading using Python, even in that case, you can ping me. So let's keep in touch. Thank you all for joining.